Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Adam. Good morning, Brad. Good morning, Safe. Good morning, Big Money Steven. Good morning, Rufio. Good morning, Al West. Good morning, Future Trader. Good morning. The settings are. I mean, that's a conversation really right now at the open. But this top right hand corner is 20 by 10. The one top left, far left, is 100 by 50, 200 by 100. All right, good morning, everybody. Let's get this show on the road. The market is out of sync right now with a bullish bias. As long as we continue to trade above 18,200, we definitely want to be patient and watch for price action here. Let me see. Yeah, here we go. So they're running the stops right now. Captain set up short. Okay, so here we go. That's a fast market. So we're breaking this level. They're putting a captain setup, and let's see what they're doing with these stops. We got to understand what these stops are doing right now. So they hit harmony zone number one, bounce a couple of times. They broke it into harmony zone number two, and now they're breaking that again. The way the price is moving, it's making a lower highs, and every time they run the stops upward, um, they're selling them, and they're making lower highs in a channel. So that is weak by definition, and we're seeing another break below harmony zone number two, which is 198 by 188, and there's a scalping opportunities on the short side right now. The big swing trade target is 273, but the way the market is really moving right now, it looks like we're gonna get a reversal of 173. So the shorts are coming in, and if we break that 173, then the market is gonna be shorted on rallies on a swing trade basis along with scalping basis. Ethan, good morning. You're in the Canary Islands? Wow. Look at you, big man. All that money you're making here, huh? Man, we need a picture of where you're at, what you're looking at, the beach and your iPad with the stream on it. Yeah, well, you're doing the work, my friend. Good job. All right, so what is ES doing? ES is holding up. Uh, ES is stronger than NQ. We hit harmony zone number one, which is the 277 by 274, and the market is bouncing back. We're looking at NQ, and NQ multiple attempts at that 173, and the market held, surprisingly. Be honest with you. Yeah, this is wow. That would be somewhat of a trap. So the swing trade target is 273, and we got so close to reversing that candle. and the market just simply did not get there. Good morning, Brad. Market is back in sync on the long side now. The swing trade target of 273 is back in play, and this is just a volatile market. And you know, just be patient with it. First half an hour, let's spend some time. It's the first 5 minutes, and we're all over the place here. Wow. Fast, 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 fast. All right. That's a bullish behavior here. They ran the stops and they bought it. And if you ever want to know if the market is consolidated or trending, if you find the price moving between harmony zone number 1 and 2, that is a sign that we are in a consolidation. Now the market is still in sync on the long side. Typically here it will be out of sync, but just the nature of the market today and in this moment, we're seeing the market still in sync on the long side, but it's in consolidation. So they ultimately have a target of 273 as long as we don't break the 185 again. Okay, there you go. That's the 185. Okay, so what type of trader did they trap here? The continuation trader for a swing trade of 273. They trapped him with that last move. Okay. So how do you really get him to panic? Is you break the 73, which we just did, and you're flushing now. Next target is 148. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. We have a harmony zone number 1 and 2 as resistance that just shifted to 190. It shifted again to 173 by 183 to 198 by 208. We'll reevaluate the shorts if we break 190, and we have a target of 123. And that's how you trap these people. Just typically you'll run it up a little bit, suck more people in, but right now they're just ramming it. We're in the middle of the range on the 100 in Tirinko, so we're getting a bit of a counter trend, but we definitely want to see rallies as a shorting opportunity here. And 200 is the big number. We don't want to see prices break above it. Wow. Okay, here we go. Okay. So we hit harmony zone number 2 and okay, it's continuation. That's a swing trade continuation pattern. The fact that the market got out of sync and back in sync, and now we're getting a rotation that can get us to 123. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. $123 is our target. We're oscillating between target number 1 and 2. They put a captain setup long here, so they're gonna push it up a little bit, and we'll see how well they're running this stop right here at the 66, and they're bringing it back, so that's negative. And the 170. Let's see if we can get 170s or 181s and see how they handle the stops there. What type of trader is struggling here? Here we go. Let's see. Here we go. 171, 81. That's interesting right here. Let's see if they push. Okay, that's captain setup. It's captain setup short, and they're running that one over. Yeah. So that's very trappy on both sides of the market. So they're spending a lot of time this morning giving the impression of a continuation of the short, but the market is too strong and the dip buyers are continuing to come. So the shorts are forceful and the longs are defending with force, and you're getting this consolidation rotation back into the neutral zone between harmony zone number 1 and 2. And they get there, then they expand away from it, and they get back to it and expand away from it. So that tells me scalping is the best approach in this environment, and trading within the harmony wave on the 20 NT Renko is pretty much the best approach to it, because we don't have a very solid trending market yet. See, you hit harmony zone number 2 and you fade back, and that's a forceful fade, and the market is fast. Now the market is back in sync. So what do you make out of all of this is patience, because the moves are exaggerated and they're trappy. No trend going on here. Good morning, G Money. How are you? Okay. The big swing trade target is 123. That remained the target through that whole bounce back up that the market did. Who's getting trapped here? What type of trader is making money? what so far, touching harmony zone number one again and bouncing back. So far, the scalping trader is outperforming the swing trader. That's the first thing. Most of the traps are run on the long side, meaning most of the longs are getting trapped in this rotation. Okay? So anybody that's buying the dip is looking around himself, is like, okay, well, what's going on here? Why is this not working? 123 coming up. $123 again. I mean, look at that. We get to 126 and they bounce it right back up. I'd rather be short than long on signals. And one of the reasons is you're look at this touch and then move, and look at this touch and then move. I mean, those are just very solid. Here we go. We hit that target, 123. Next target is 18,098. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis, and we're looking for 18,098. ES is not playing the same game NQ is playing. They're a lot stronger in ES than NQ. Right now, we still have a swing trade target of 52.89.5, but we're about to close the 64.5, which will reverse that structure. Next target on NQ is 18,073. We're taking targets one after the other. Obviously, the shorts are the dominant force. It was tricky a couple of times in that structure, but the swing trade targets remained strong on the short side. ES is starting to cooperate. You got to break 64.5, and once you do that, then the market, you're gonna get this right here, a one candle reversal. Then you're gonna start having targets that could take you all the way down to 250 and 240, 242. So location, right? What's the location right here? It's literally the middle of the range. So this is a reversion to the mean behavior so far. And the market will spend some time consolidating here and counter trending that prior move in and around this spot. You have the harmony wave along with the middle of the range on the cloud. And this is a spot where we should expect the 200 and the 100 to get in sync and out of sync multiple times, and the market go into consolidation phase. So the intensity of the short pressure is taking a pause here, okay? And I want to see if they get to the 65s, how do they handle that price? Do they buy it? Because if they buy it up here, then the market is going to go into that type of consolidation that we're looking at. If we break 112, then the market officially is in consolidation. We're just seeing the early signs of it. Okay, so 65. Let's see. What is this? Here we go. They bought it. Let's see. 71. Yeah, they're buying it here. See that? That's a stop hunt. That's interesting to me. So the odds are that we're going to go to 112. That's how they trap. That's literally how they trap people. See that? 112. We're getting there. 112. So now the market officially in consolidation. Yeah, thank you, Safe. Yeah, I mean, it just you start to get a sense of what they are doing here and how they're doing it. How would they trap? What type of trader operates in this zone and environment? You get a sense of what they're trying to do. I'm waiting for 9 o'clock. We'll see what they're doing here. I mean, we're hitting harmony zone number 2 with force. This is a stop run against all the shorts. We're going into this is a consolidation pattern as well. But if we break anything above 148, then that shifts the personality where the pullbacks are viable on a swing trade basis. I mean, the shorts need to really defend here, and they're not. Wow. Okay. At least we understood this and did not get trapped into anything. So now the 200 and the 100 are in sync on the long side. The 65 was a critical level. Market reacted to it. And we're looking for a target of 173. Pullbacks are viable on a swing trade basis. And you're seeing a market that's just very fast moving. You have a harmony zone number 1 and 2 as support, 123 by 113 and 98 by 88. We'll reevaluate the longs if we break anything under 100, and we're looking for pullbacks on signals to go long. Target 173. Target is hit. Next target 198. Harmony zone number 1 and 2 shifted, 148 by 138 and 123 by 113. And we'll reevaluate the longs if we break 125. . . target 198. ES on fire, target 282. Next target is 52.95.75 on ES. Pullbacks are buyable. Yeah, all from that 65. That was a trap. So how does the market trap? It gives you one state and run the stops to reverse it. And once you see that happen, that you know that the trap has been set. And constant reading of stops and how they're getting treated really kind of gives cues to what type of market you're having. So we're going to get a pullback here, most likely to the 54s. Ah, not really, huh? That's interesting. Captain set up switch trade right here. They did double switch trade and turned it into a captain setup switch trade. So that's a trap for anybody that tried to fade that. Now the target still remains 198. All our view is toward the longs till proven otherwise. The market, if it runs above the 200, is going to start giving the impression to a lot of traders of a double top. And they're going to start doing some traps there for both parties, longs and shorts. So 200 into 225, the market will get consolidated again if we get up there. So we got 2 minutes to the top of the hour. So there's one thing here. If we break 162, watch for 162. That's a captain setup short on the 70 NT Rinko. So that will put a pause on this market, and we'll start testing harmony zone number 1. So I'm keeping an eye on that 162. So the longs need to defend it. That's good. Target is 198. Target 198 got hit. Next target is 223. 223 coming up. Pullbacks are buyable on a swing trade basis. did we say 23? Yep, we hit it. Next target is 248. 248. What did you catch, Becca? 9 o'clock. It's right at 9 o'clock right now. And I feel like I'm reading the market well here. So let's see. Wholesale inventory. Actual two. Yep. 190 to 223. There you go. That's nice. 33 points. And nothing wrong with that. You're done for the day, right? Or you still want to play? Target is hit. Next target is 273. Good morning, G Money. Good morning, buddy. All right, so we got very, very close to that target and we got faded. And we just ran the stops right above that 250. So watch out for an oversized pullback in this area. So if the market start breaking anything under 250, that's going to be an inflection point. Shit. Yeah, screwed that one up. Here we go. All right, get to below 60. Took one off. Took the second one off. And let's get below 60. We're going to get the 55s. Yeah, no. Let's see it. We'll get the 55s here in a second. I'm out. So I got short. I was trying to post my order a little bit higher, but that's the part I screwed up on. But anyway, I took one here, and one here, and covered right here. We're gonna see below 55 anyway. I think I'm up on that trade. There's a captain set up a switch trade short on the 30 NT Rinko. Yeah, so that trade actually ended up making me $112. All right, took a little bit of heat on it, but the 50s is the key, right? The 50s is the key. You start busting through that, you're gonna start getting a little bit of fading behavior, and you got a captain set up switch trade short on the 30 NT Renko. So the market, up there was. I got in a little bit early, but it was just the behavior right here is very typical of a stop run and then a pause and a reversal. And that doesn't mean the longs are done. That means that just right now the market went into a two-sided market and a consolidation. The 200 and the 100 are out of sync, and we're trading between harmony zone number 1 and 2 while trying to defend harmony zone number 1 at this moment. So you're going to get a two-sided market. So here you go. They're defending that area, and we'll probably see a little bit of short distribution coming up once we get to these levels. Yeah, so those like look at that, 72s and 68s all the way to 30s. Yeah, that's price. So okay, running the stops again here. Man, okay, so they're back in sync. Wow. So they took out that rotation. Captain setup. Market is in sync. There's a target of 298 on a swing trade basis. And they defended harmony zone number 1, which is 248. ES, on the other hand, is making lower highs. So there's a divergence between how ES is behaving versus how NQ is behaving. Okay. We got a target of 298. NQ is stronger than ES. And that was the exact opposite early on. So it was NQ, ES was stronger while NQ was weaker. Then the market is flipping right now to where ES is weaker and NQ stronger. Target 298. We came very close. See again, that type of behavior up here. Oh my God, here we go. I need to give it a shot. Here we go, Captain set up short. Give me a chance. Don't give me a chance. Give me a chance. Give me a chance to stay in this trade. Thank you. Don't get greedy, George. Don't get greedy. Okay. So here we go. I mean, see that's a Captain set up short up here on a double top. Right against that target of 298. They should not be doing that. Like they should be just running right through that target at these stop runs. So that's an accumulation by some sellers. And we took advantage of it. Hey, David, good morning. And I got, I don't know, I shouldn't have gotten, I mean, I didn't get nervous, but I knew that I needed to kind of capitalize on that move because they're going to tend to run it back up. And they did, but not that far. I mean, really my stop is 98.5. But that was a good one. So also you got a 50 NT Rinko Captain set up. Short, and that got triggered on 272. So we want to see that price get re-engaged. Yeah, look at that. Oh, they're fighting. There's a lot of distribution going on here. They're fighting. They are fighting. So it's a scalping environment right here. A lot of distribution patterns up at these levels. Okay, well, that's fine. They ran it up. They hit that target. That's what they needed to do. And the next target is 323. 323. Harmony zone number 1 is 273 by 263. Harmony zone number 2 is 48 by 38. We will reevaluate the longs if we break anything under 260. Pullbacks are viable on a swing trade basis toward that target of 323. So they had a stop run of people that are speculating on breakouts, and they faded them. Okay, so that's interesting here. I mean, if they take out the 71s and the 60s, yeah, look at that. Okay. So here we go again. They're gonna try to see if these breakout traders are strong here. The typical behavior is they break it out just a tad bit and they bring it back in. Just like that. So that pullbacks are buyable, but they're feeding off the breakout traders. The shorts are feeding off the breakout traders. Okay? I rather to see them run the stops down and me picking those stops up versus me trying to go on a breakout pattern here. Because they're literally, the shorts are accumulating here. Target is 323, so you're target is hit. Next target is 348. Pullbacks are buyable on a swing trade basis and a scalping basis. $348 coming up. $20. So let's see the 10. Okay, I'm gonna get out of that trade. It's really actually a good spot here, but they're not. Yeah, they're not as strong. Let's just wait for a better spot. 13. That's 03. Yeah. Okay. They're protecting Harmony Zone number 1. I was just hoping to see a bigger move here. And it was not happening, so I took a small stop. So we're that's a bit of consolidation going on here. And if we break 309, the market will go into consolidation. Right now, the market is still in sync on the long side. Pullbacks are buyable, but there's a little bit of weakness coming in here. Yeah, there's a little bit of weakness coming in. 09 most likely is going to happen here. Here comes 09. So what's happening is the market is out of sync, and we're going to get a bit of consolidation between Harmony Zone number 1 and 2. Double switch trade, so we should probably see target number 2, which is 298. Here it comes. I'm gonna give it a shot here. Ah, come on. All right, so I mean, it ran up 10 points, and I took a break-even stop right here. And it's fast. Look how fast it is. Yeah, now it's gonna run back up, which is fine. But that was a good spot for that idea. I mean, it's a first touch. It's a first touch for harmony zone number 2. Yeah, say 15 minutes. Look, it's a world of price action here. Yeah, look at that. It's gonna run. That's okay. So now the market is consolidated. It's a two-sided market, and the longs and the shorts are fighting this range. I mean, if we break anything under the 200, I mean the 285s, that would be an issue that will stop me from trying to get long. Man, I just needed to survive that break even. That would have been a great trade. Let's keep working. All right, so Mr. Adam, how we doing, buddy? Brad, where we at? G Money, where we at? Safe. Ethan, any trades? David, Becca. Becca's making all the money today, right? Futures trader. Al West. That's okay. You feel like you're connecting with the market, G Money? 1200 multiplied by 4 PAs and 500 multiplied by 3 PAs. Oh, look at you, Mr. Adam. There you go, Becca. Okay, good work, good work. It is fast though. You're right. There you go. Yeah, that makes sense. You're on vacation. You don't want to load up the boat, Ethan. There's nothing wrong with actually taking a vacation and not trading, by the way. You're allowed, Ethan. I like the segmentation that you're doing, Adam. I think that's a wise decision. and you're managing two things: your accounts and your emotions. Joseph up 818, good work. So across the board, we got winners, and that's how I do it. I pay the lifetime with Apex. All right, so let's see here. Market is in sync, back in sync, and we have a target of 373. I'm not gonna argue with this market. It wants to go higher. It wants to go higher. So we went long here. They came and adjusted. We went long here for a flat. Good job, Rufio. That is excellent, man. So you're doing the 150s, huh? Yeah, that's what I'm going to be loading up on. I'm going to be loading up on the $150,000 accounts. I have 6 of them so far, but I need to really kind of move all my accounts to the 150. Oh, they're the 50,000? Oh, so you just kept trading them to up to 5 grand? Okay. There you go. Yeah, we'll see, Adam. I mean, they're yeah, these are the accounts that I got going on here so far. I don't know if you, because I have my screen. The majority of them are the $50,000 accounts, but I started loading up on the 150s. So I have 2, 4, 6 of them, and I have 14 that are 50,000. I'm waiting on a payout on 2 of them, and I have the rest of them are very close. And yeah, we got 20 accounts. Let's go. But ideally, I'm gonna go the 150s because that's a bit more flexible account. Base hits, base hits. Yep, I'm with you. All right, so target is 398. Who said 400? Somebody here said 400. Oh, that's Ethan. Ethan said the gap fill is 400. Nobody, no, safe. Nobody liked that 65, right? Is Joseph Lilo a good prop firm? Yeah, it's a good firm. We've had multiple traders that traded it. I have not. I mean, I traded a G Money. Yes, it's 11 o'clock. We'll do 11. I've been sticking with the Apex Top Step Trader and Earn to Trade. Those are the three companies that I've really kind of spent some time working with. Take a look if you're looking, Joseph. Let me share with you this. See if that's something that you want to do. Yeah, take a look at that program. I have a couple of I have one account with them that I just literally started. So, and I actually traded with them before, and I made money. So, and they pay. So I've had that experience. So you could take a look. If anybody wants to take a look at this program, here you go. Kind of adds a little bit of variety to what we do. All right, so what is the market doing right here? Let's focus on trading. The market disconnected where they're trying to run the stops right here. You have another stop under 40 that they can run. So what is this? 65, 55, that's 10 points. Wow. 400. Yeah, okay, so we're taking a look here. I'm getting quiet because I'm trying to understand what they're trying to do here. I mean, they put a captain set up short, ran it over, faded everybody here, trapped the longs, pulled them back into the middle of the range. They're gonna oscillate here and pull back below 80, and there you can see how well they're handling the stops, but 19,120. Damn, Ethan, are you really making that call up there? I know. That's fine. That's fine. Take care, man. Enjoy your vacation. Good job. Longs are in charge. Market is in sync. Target is 423. Pullbacks are buyable. $83.73. Okay, so let's see 73 here. See that 73? That's right at the harmony zone number 1. Okay. So they're running the stops, buying them back up. All right. Good job, G Money. Here we go again. They're taking out that 73 area. And bouncing it right back up. So if they make a lower high here, then you know the pullback is going to be a little bit deeper, and we may end up seeing below that 58. So we broke the channel to upward channel, and we're rotating in a harmony in and around harmony zone number 1, which is support. The market is reacting to it, but at the same time, it's making lower highs. So in the shorts are trying to chew through this area here, and it's going to depend, are they successful or not. The market is still in sync on the long side. So my bias is on the long side till proven otherwise. Target is 423. Man, it's relentless, right? Wow. Captain setup. We should go to that 10. Here we go, the 10. Yeah. Captain set up switch trade right there. You see that one, Adam? That's a sign. Captain set up switch trade up in that level. Yeah, no, it's absolutely the smart decision. Because you'll be fading against the trend, against the momentum, against the whole world, pretty much. So ain't nothing wrong with just passing on that trade. But whenever you see a captain set up switch trade, because really the risk controls on that one is fairly decent. I mean, 20 entry, 20 and a quarter entry has a stop at 28. It's like literally 8 points. Now that's the retest. Let's see if the retest holds. Damn. That was crazy. You see that one, Adam? Woo, baby. Double captain setup shorts. There's a whole lot of distribution going on. A whole lot of distribution. Captain setup, switch trade, sold. Another captain setup with a lower high, sold. They keep holding on to Harmony Zone number 1 at 400. Yeah, that's good stuff right here. Market is out of sync. The 200 and the 100 are out of sync. And we have Harmony Zone number 1 at 398 by 88 and 73 by 63. The swing trade target is still at 448, but we're seeing, just looking at price action, a lot of distribution here from the 35 to the 20s. Okay. Captain set up short on the 70 NT Rinko, so this is what that looks like. So you see this? That's a topping behavior, and it's accompanied by 2 double captain setup shorts on the 20 NT Rinko. So really the price structure can lead us to a retest and a flush of the stops under 360 with a stop under 436. On a scalping basis, this structure right here can support some shorts. Okay? I mean, I wouldn't go full boat. I wouldn't go crazy. I wouldn't give it a big stop. It's just a scalp. And you have this structure against it, and you got the double captain setups against that, supporting this idea. And the targets are down to 60s, 360s. So I think the market is about to take a pause, and it's about to start selling. So just watch out. Trying to dip buy this. Again, you're going in alignment with the general direction, but you're gonna see the pullbacks a little bit stronger. So you need to be very careful with any dip buying longs that you can do here. Okay. So you're getting scalping opportunities and dip buying opportunities. I'll favor the scalping opportunities on the short side due to the big structure. And if we're lucky enough and the market breaks down to 348, then the market will be a swing trade short below 48. You're up 10K on PAs. Good job, brother. Look at you. Adam, you can go very far by slowing down. And that's what you're noticing right there. Is you're managing your emotions, you're managing your accounts, you're not, you know, which is really a very smart way of doing it. Yeah, I know, but you could be a lot down, you could be down a whole lot. But see, there's a difference between those two things. You most likely you're a lot more relaxed right now in your trading. Is that a true statement or not? Trading 2 to 4 contracts, so you're sizing appropriately, you're more relaxed, you segmented your accounts into chunks of 4 or 5 accounts or whatever you're doing, but you're not going all in on all of them. I mean, it's going to make you a lot more relaxed. And when you're relaxed, you make better decisions. Better decisions lead to better money. And then that's a cycle and a habit that's going to get you really, really far in here. So good job. Congratulations. Yeah, that's hard money. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Becca, yes. The answer to that. All right, I'm gonna step away for just a moment, get some water. Just to let you know, look at this. Captain set up short into captain set up long. Market runs up. Captain set up long. They run it up. They put a captain set up long here. Retested it. Ran up. It's a captain set up alley going on here. You know, and that is just a sign that the market is really, really trying to work it. So they put three captain setups in a row, one after the other in this rotation in and around harmony zone number one, trying to protect that level. And if we break it, and we're looking like we're breaking it here, you're we're gonna get an oversized pullback because that many captain setups in this rotation, it's almost like the longs are making a very strong effort to hold on. They are. And if they fail here, then you're most likely gonna get 348, which means that we are testing 73.63 and bouncing off of it, and then a lower high and then 348. So the level between 88 to 78, that 10 points, is going to be very critical. If we trade under it, then you know that the market is shifting personality. I'll be back. And there's a big signal here, just I noticed it. Captain setup, switch trade, short on the 70 NT Rinko. That is a big deal. And then this attempt here to reverse it around the 400 has not panned out yet. So shorts don't want to see anything above 418, and if we break that level that we just talked about, 88 to 80 level, if we start trading under it and closing under it, then you're going to get a continuation pressure to 60, and we talked about the 60 earlier. So just watch out here. All right, Becca, welcome to the family. I'll be back. All right, let's take a look here. Hey DJ, good morning. Khaled, good morning. All right, so what we got going on here, a 200 NT wrinkle complete reversal initially here. They tested it multiple times. We ended up hitting that 60 we talked about, and even down all the way down to almost reversing complete. Continuing. Like, look, that was the target, the 323, and it remains the target, and we hit it to the tick and bounce back. So now, as long as we don't trade above 408 and or higher, we have a chance at this reversing back in and making another attempt at 323. I need to see a high and a lower high and a bit of consolidation, because this market has been notorious at, you know, one candle reverse, and the long has been dominant. So yeah, we're seeing that. A run up with a high against harmony zone number two, a lower high, then you may get a break back down to that 82 and a rally back up, and that makes a lower high, and that will start that process. Here it comes, the 82, 83, and now we should expect a bit of a bounce. The beauty of reading price action. All right, so they really didn't make I mean lower high. I mean, here we go. Let's see. Okay. So they ran the stops, trapped breakout traders multiple times, put even a switch trade right here and into a captain setup, and they're trying to roll them over. So who's getting trapped up here? I mean, the longs are getting trapped up here. Yeah. See? That's who they're trapping up here. Belongs. So far they trapped a bunch of longs up at above 400. And what are we noticing also is tightening of the ranges. The ranges are getting tighter and tighter here. Mine is pending too. They have till the 15th. I mean, it's only the 8th. We got plenty of time. Well, the good news is not in in review. So the market is in sync on the short side right now with that drop. Yeah, we may get another attempt at that 50, 60s and 50s here soon. Yeah, I know, Rufio. I mean, it shouldn't be again. I mean, it's one of those things. I hope Apex really does a better job with make it clear cut, and I think they're trying. But I mean, no DCA, okay, I understand no DCA. They made that clear. They just need to probably hire staff to get this process of approval a lot quicker. So this way, from the first to the 15, you're not just sitting here just waiting and hoping and wondering if did you make a mistake somewhere that they're gonna look at it. It's just it's that makes sense. Speed stuff up. Yeah, I heard about that. And also, if you're like, they want a video of you clicking on the button and executing, and then they want to see that trade in your account and all that stuff. Maybe if that person, you know, using a bot, or they're suspecting him of using a bot, they're putting that rule in there for them. But I mean, do these bots even work? I mean, it just yeah, they failed the captain setup here. This is a market that's gonna test the 60. Obviously, we're already there, and then we got ourselves into a potential run up to 323, which is the swing trade target. Yeah, take care, Rufio. Damn, one day just 88 to 82 to 8. Yeah, I get it. They're trying to flush people out. Like if you saw this one, you're short in it, and you're looking for a big move into 323. This move back up and the stop run against the most recent high of 87 just flushed you out. And you're getting, and then this will most likely consolidate and pull back in again. Yeah, that's what I'm seeing, Adam, too. Yeah, we're probably going to spend some time here into lunch. Yeah. So we're seeing multiple things. The ranges are tightening. The market is well, right now it's in sync, but we're constantly trading between harmony zone number 1 and 2. So that's a range bound market. So in a range bound market, you avoid the middle of the range, like yeah, this dotted line. You try to avoid it and trade the edges of price. You almost have to kind of fade the edges of price. If you think they're gonna break out, fade it. If they think you're gonna sell off, fade it. That's what a consolidated market, and on a scalping basis, that's how it works. There you go. DJ understands. He knows the game. You've seen it a few times, right? It's a mind shift. Like, really, we have to. I have to. Yeah, let me know how that one works, man. I may get involved in that bull knocks business because I'm maxed out on my Apex accounts. I can't add any more. I have 20 of them, so I gotta start loading up. I have the earn to trade account, and I'm gonna start getting involved in Top Step Trader. Go from there. So market is out of sync with this behavior, and we are in consolidation. All right. Yeah. No, we've heard a lot about bull knocks, and they, from what I've heard, they pay. Disco party, man. You're living the life, DJ. You're living the life. Yeah, yeah. I'd love to see that. Shorts are not having a good time. I tell you that much. They can't get any traction. All right, guys, almost done here, and we are. Let's see here. Let's see here. Yeah, so that was the stop run right there, and then they took it off. Okay, so here we go. They're taking the stops right here. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock. We are done for the day. This is where we at. We made 162.92 after commission. Another positive day, and we will see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Good job, everybody. Have a good one. Yeah, I'm taking a look at that video that you're putting on, DJ. Oh, that's picture or a picture. Oh, that's a video. Yeah. Damn. Take care. Safe. Is that a wedding or just a disco party? What is it? Okay. Boogie on. All right, guys. We'll see you. Well, have fun. Enjoy. See you on the next one.